I think that the best smartphone Google ever made was Pixel 4a. It was the best option for your money, especially considering the device runs beautiful Android and has a great camera with magnificent camera software. But my opinion could change with the release of Google's next budget-friendly device, Google Pixel 6a. And now to details. Hi, it's OZN, and before I start, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Let's discuss the news. The original Pixel line models can be considered genuine top-notch models, but they are also a head higher than the classic mid-rangers, and they are also priced correspondingly. However, apart from them, there are also more affordable models with the A suffix. This year's model has been rumored to appear in the stores as soon as May. Not so long ago, I heard that the forthcoming Google Pixel 6a has gone into mass production, thus hinting at its launch. The information comes my way from a tipster Mukul Sharma, whose sources said that the production of the Pixel 6a has started in some Asian countries. Thus, if nothing accidental happens, the phone will hit the market this month or so. I expect the handset to be officially uncovered during the Google I/O. The latter is scheduled to take place on May 11th. However, the phone might appear on the shelves much later. There are even some estimations saying the Google Pixel 6a will go on sale after July 28th. Moreover, everything hints that this device will be available in more markets than its predecessor. If you remember, the current Google Pixel 5a is sold in the US and Japan only. Well, in terms of appearance, our protagonist should adopt the same design as the original Google Pixel 6. This means that it will come with a horizontally placed camera bar and a centered punch hole cutout. The device ought to spot a 6.2 inches display and smaller overall dimensions than the Pixel 6. On the back, it should retain the same 12.2 megapixel basic camera as its predecessor. However, the second camera is said to be the Pixel 6's 12 megapixel ultrawide module. The selfie camera will have an 8 megapixel resolution. If so, it can win the title of the best pocket-friendly camera phone of the year. Under the hood, the Pixel 6a will host the same in-house Tensor chip as the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. The already spotted benchmark scores show that Google has further optimized the chip, giving the performance a boost. There will be a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 GB of native storage. I still have no concrete information on how much the handset will cost, but presumably it will cost more than the Pixel 5a. The latter went on sale at $448, but this is where Google will have a serious problems. Its direct rival, Samsung Galaxy A53, costs $448, and the Apple iPhone SE 3 starts at $428. So if Google makes its representatives pricing higher, this will automatically fall it out of the competition. My today's question is, in your opinion, what is the best Android phone manufacturer, and why do you think so? Your answers, as always, you can leave in the comment section below. I will definitely read everything, and I will answer the most interesting comments and give hearts from the channel. If this video seems interesting to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. You were watching OZN, and I'll see you guys in the next one.